But I want to get to what's going on right now. You can see the rain coming down in La Jolla. The wind has been relentless and it has been pretty steady and occasionally heavy for most of the morning. Most of the heavy rain is now moving into the mountains and the deserts right now. It is widespread, steady, heavy rain, and that's why a flash flood warning is in effect for this area. Borrego Springs, Mount Laguna getting dumped on right now. Let's break down those flash flood warnings. So the one that I've highlighted here goes until 1:15 this afternoon. Flash flooding, a warning means that a flash flooding is either occurring or will soon. There still remains a flash flood warning until 11:45 for areas of the North County, but the heaviest rain that we saw actually already pushed through. Now we're kind of dealing with the lingering effects of that. The difference between a watch and a warning is a watch is it could happen. A warning is it is happening or will shortly. So this flash flood watch continues until 10 p.m. because we could see more warnings go into place. All those bright greens are for the rivers here in San Diego that are or will be flooding. That is the San Diego River, the Santa Margarita River, and the San Luis Rey River. In fact, we've had some pretty strong river rushes, and we have some video from one of our viewers. Take a look at this. She said that her trash can and recycling bin were pushed 3 feet.
How little water it takes to knock someone off their feet and start sending them down.
Yeah, absolutely. 6 inches of water, in fact. And in fact, as you're heading out, I know a lot of areas are starting to taper off. Don't be fooled. We are not done with this rain yet. As we look towards Pacific Beach, it is still extremely windy. When the winds start to calm, that's when you'll notice that the rain will also start to taper off. So as we look up Pinpoint Doppler Live, it has just been sweeping across the county all morning long. We had a few waves of very heavy rain move on in, and we're going to see another wave move in this afternoon. The heaviest rain right now is in the mountains and our desert communities, also near Ramona. But you can see there's more moisture out there. And as we zoom out, I have to show you this atmospheric river. This line of clouds right here that is pretty much at just south of Point Conception. Once that passes, that's when that widespread heavy rain will come to an end. We're going to see another wave pick up between about 1 o'clock and 2 o'clock. You'll start to see that rain becoming more steady, heavy at times, and we could see more and likely will see more flash flood warnings at this time. Then between about 4 and 6 p.m., the rain does start to taper off. The worst of the rain will come to an end for all of us by about 7 o'clock today. The winds will be with us through about 2 to 4 p.m. That's when the winds will really start to ease. But Imperial Beach gusting to 40 miles per hour right now. We're seeing winds in excess of 30 miles per hour, pretty much up and down our coastline. That's why we still have that wind advisory in place. So down trees, a major concern. A few spotty showers tomorrow, mostly tomorrow night into Saturday as another storm comes in. This one is much colder and much weaker. Not expecting as much rainfall by any means. Sunday, scattered showers and even cooler. Temperatures will be in the 50s into our President's Day. And no snow today or tomorrow in our mountains, but Saturday, Sunday into Monday, we're going to see lower snow levels and expecting mountain snow.